Alright, we have a new technician. His name is Brian today. And this is the technician. He's setting off the alarm today. And also we have the next one, which is a System Sensor SR. Now here's two of them going off at the same time. Do you have something wrong there, Brian? You don't know? You got things corrected. Oh, you kind of got it there, Brian.
Excuse me.
Yeah, what?
Is that a fire alarm?
Yeah, but shut the fuck up.
What? I'm telling your boss. Hey, excuse me. Who said a bad word in here? Brian and Greg, you are both fired for setting off fire alarms at our site. I'm just kidding, y'all. Hey.
Alright, never mind everyone. I was just joking around with the bossy moments. Now we're gonna set off 2 alarms. Especially we're gonna change devices. Alright, this one's gonna be swapped to an SWL. This one's gonna be changed into an SRL. One moment here, Chief. Hello. There's my first one. There's my first one. It has a horn, but it's broken halfway. It still works with a horn, so if I go outside and I just go blare, it literally, it's being held by sticky tack on it. Alright, sorry about that, everyone. The alarm's ready. Oh wow, this one's already. Oh, what we could have done, Vaughn, is make a new video of like AlarmCon 2025. Goofy op bracket. Since it's a wrong bracket, it'll look so goofy.